fuck are you doing? They're at least going to stop halfway, not just keep bloody going. That's not a fucking road, dickhead. Straight into the fucking cycle lane as well. What a prick. He just did, didn't he? Holy shit! Someone did a good job with that. My God. What the fuck are you doing? Hello?
Hello.
Hello? Hi?
My name is Jessica Hyde and I'm calling from ProStar Galaxy Services.
Okay.
Yeah, I've been informed that you faced an accident at the workplace because you weren't given a safe working environment by your employer. Is that right?
Yes, I died.
Please hold for 1 moment.
Hello?
Hello?
How are you today? You alright?
Yes.
This is Jeremy. I'm a claim advisor. He was talking to my colleague regarding an accident. So how did that accident happen, sir?
I slipped over and I died.
Okay, you died, okay?
Prick. You know what? When the lady put me on hold, I thought, does she realise what's happening? And she's put me on hold to just purposely waste my time, sort of thing. But no, actually put me through to someone who sounded about as useless as she sounded, to be fair. But at least he got it when I said I died. Like, fuck off with your cold calling nonsense. Bunch of cunts. What are you doing, you fucking imbecile? There you go, 2 for 1 in that one. Ranting about cold calls and some retard that wants to be an organ donor. Lights, dickhead. Okay, so I don't know how well the light on that bicycle in front is coming up on the camera, okay? But it feels dangerous. It's going from dim to brightest, like going along the range, I guess you could say. But at its brightest, all I can see is a bright red light in my face. Like, I know the cyclist is there, but I couldn't tell you where the bicycle was or pretty much most of what else is around me. Like, surely that is not safe. Yeah, it highlights their position and that they exist, but really, even now, I've driven off down the road a bit and I've still got a fucking red light burned into my vision. Like, how is that right? Well, I mean, both of them weren't looking there, I don't think. Fucking imbecile.